environment, fighting for my country to come back, and I was spat on. Spat on when I came on American soil. Alright? And until today, seeing what my brothers and sisters are doing in Washington, D.C., and seeing the people rallying here today, I lost hope. I was thinking about putting that pistol in my mouth. Yeah, I was thinking about standing with the rest of my veteran buddies and being a fucking statistic. And you know what you guys did? You guys revitalized. You revitalized the life in me. I will stand up and I will defend you against all enemies, foreign and domestic. I swear to each and every one of you Oregonians here, I will lay my fucking life down for you. That promise is right here. I'm sorry about the language for my Christian friends.